This video is for the Toyota CHR hybrid up until I think around 2017 with the halogen headlights. What happens sometimes if you're an idiot like me and you want to change the headlight bulbs, which is this here, which is a simple matter of just moving that to the side and pulling it out. Put it back in, like that. I mistakenly thought that this was the headlight bulb, and I went to pull this out. So I twisted it to the side and I pulled hard because I thought, why isn't this bulb coming out? Oh dear, that's not a bulb. If you think, it doesn't matter, no problem. This ball has to just relocate inside here. Let's just put it back on. Like that. Okay, but that's not good. I'll show you why. Now we're looking from inside the cab with the headlight leveling adjuster on number 5. Look at the left-hand beam where it is on the garage door there. Look how low that is. Now I'm going to raise it to number 5. The beam on the right is raising, the beam on the left is raising, but look how low it is. That's because the little ball is not located properly inside the headlight housing. I'll show you how to do this now. Right, okay. Inside this headlight leveling motor, as I showed you before, we have this ball that has to locate inside the headlight unit. Well, that clip inside the headlight unit will not engage with this unless it's held forward this way. And the only way we can do that without disassembling the whole headlight assembly is to grab hold of this, which is the headlight bulb itself, because that, as you can see moving around, is connected to the whole of the inside of the headlight unit. And we have to grab hold of this and pull it towards the rear of the vehicle as hard as we can, at the same time pushing this into the headlight unit to engage. You have to have quite a strong grip on this. That's it. Yeah, little click and it's in. So all we do now is turn it and it's engaged. Now when we look at the headlight beams on the garage door, we move the adjuster. That's on 0 now, but as you can see now, the two beams are aligned. They're on the same level. So we're back to driving where on dip beam we'll actually be able to see where we're going at night. Then just move them down and down they go again. Everything back to normal for anybody like me who can't tell the difference between the headlight leveling motor and the headlight bulb. Cheers, bye.